Hello guys! In today's tutorial I will show you how to add a password to your Windows laptop or PC. Let's go! Firstly, go to Start button and find Account section. Click on it and move to Change Account Settings. Left click on Sign In Options. Then go to Password section. Press Add. Here you can enter your password. If you ever forget the password, my advice is to add a hint that will help you to remember it. Click Next, then Finish. Now you are safe. If I helped you, please support me with like, subscribe and comment. What would you like to see in next videos? Thank you for watching and see you next time.